What's up guys, welcome back to the Driver Mod. We're here with another brake bomber demonstration video. We've got the 2024 Mustang GT. We've got gloss black wheels. I've had the car for about 7 weeks now and the wheels have never been cleaned. So this is the condition they're in and we're gonna show you how badass the brake bomber is. We're gonna have this wheel completely spotless. So here we go. I will leave a link in the description below where you can go buy this brake bomber, exactly what I got off Amazon. This is their 32 ounce option. All right, so first thing you want to do is wet the wheel and get any loose debris that is sitting on the wheel surface. All right, so I'm gonna rinse it off with some water just to show you. Yeah, those wheels are completely dirty. Clean, dirty. Once you've rinsed the wheel down, you're gonna take the brake bomber and completely saturate the entire wheel surface. This is safe to use on painted wheel surfaces. It is not going to harm the paint. It is non-acidic. And just let it do its thing. You're gonna let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. And as you can see right there, just went on white and really, really dark. So it is just taking that brake dust and eating it up. Now after it's sat for 30 seconds to a minute, go ahead and just wash her down. Like I said, it is safe to use on painted surfaces, so if you do get some on your car's surface, just give that a nice little rinse too. And after a quick wipe of a microfiber towel, absolutely no scrubbing was required, just a quick wipe down, all the brake dust is completely gone. Now, if you have access to a pressure washer, you can use a pressure washer and skip the microfiber process altogether. So wet the wheel down, spray with the brake bomber, let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute, and then use a pressure washer, spray it right off. The brake dust will shed right off the car. We'll do that on the rear wheel. As you can see, there's our nice shiny gloss black wheel has returned. And here's the rear wheel covered again in that brake dust. So let's get this one cleaned, this time using the pressure washer method. All right, so again, just wet the wheel down, get that loose excess surface debris off, soak with the brake bomber for 30 seconds to a minute. Let it do its thing, and then spray it off with pressure washer. Clean finger, clean wheel. Absolutely no scrubbing required when you use a pressure washer. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy the brake bomber. Keep your wheels clean.